Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz here. In this video, I will show you how to find missing values and replace missing values in SPSS. First, we will find missing values using two simple methods. So in the first method, we will use the frequencies function to quickly identify missing values in our dataset. In the second method, we will use the compute variable function to count missing values across different places. Both methods are easy, practical, and useful for cleaning your data before further analysis. So first we will find missing values using simple method. After that, I will explain how to code missing responses as -99 and how to replace missing value using the series mean method. So there are two methods. First, we will put -99 and second, we will replace missing values by series mean. Watch the video until the end because incorrect treatment of missing data can seriously affect your research results. So let us start. First of all, we will click on Analyze, click on Descriptive Statistics, and then click on Frequency. Select all variable and put in variable set and click on OK. So you will see here there is no missing data in age, there is no missing data in gender, there is no missing value in occupation. There are 3 missing values in question 1 of survey questionnaire. There are 2 missing values in question 10. There are 7 missing values in question 11. There are 2 missing values in question 2 as well you can see. Okay, so we come back to SPSS data view. So this was the first method to identify how many missing values in our data set. So now we are going to do the second method to identify where are the missing values. So we will click on transform and click on compute variable. If we want to see where are the missing values in question 1, then we will rename the variable question 1 equal to m missing value. We will put the function here missing bracket and then select question 1 and drop here. So click on OK. So we come back to dataset and you can see here SPSS correctly identify where are the missing values in question 1. You can see here. I think we need to remove the decimal. Okay, now you can see there is no missing value here. Yes, there is one missing value in question 1. Question 1 missing value. Another missing value, yes, this one you can see that. And also there is any other missing, yes, there is another missing value in question 1. So in this way you can find the missing value of each question. So now we are going to replace these missing values with code -99. So sometimes missing answers are recorded using a special code such as -99. -99 is not a replacement or estimated answer. It is only a code showing that the response is unavailable. After entering -99, go to variable and using the missing column, then we can put easily the missing value. So in this, because we have already applied the second method to identify where is the missing value. So you can see here missing value and we can put here -99. We put the code -99 because SPSS doesn't recognize the missing value if we put the -99 code. Another missing value you have identified here, yes, -99. there is another missing value in our data set. Yes, here minus 99. So you can also identify the missing value in question 2. We'll go to transform and compute variable, and we simply put 2 and missing value from question 2. Click OK. You can also see there is one missing value in question 2. You can see here. Yes, this one. And this one. Yes, this one. So we can also replace this missing value by minus 99. So if there is any other missing value, no, there is no any other missing value in question 2. So you can save your data. Okay, so we have done 2 questions. You can also do the other question if your survey questionnaire contains multiple survey items. So you can do in this way. Okay, so now SPSS will recognize minus 99 as a genuine numerical response. This is extremely important. If minus 99 is not defined as missing, it can produce incorrect means, correlations, regression coefficients, and other statistical analysis. So it is very important to define as missing. So where will we do that? We will go to variable view. And we have done question 1 and question 2. So we will put the missing here. We will click on discrete missing value minus 99. Okay, here is also the same process, minus 99. Done. So we have put the values, we have defined the values as missing. Now we will do the descriptive statistic to frequencies. We reset the data, then we will put question 1 and question 2. Now you can see question 1 and question 2 SPSS correctly identify there are 3 missing values and there are 2 missing values in question 2. So here is a separate heading missing minus 99 as 3 missing value in question 1 and 2 missing values in question 2. Okay, so we have done first method to replace the missing value by code minus 99. Now we are going to replace missing values by mean series. So in this way, we will go to transform and we will click on replace missing values. Okay, so if we have identified 3 missing values in question 1 and 2 missing values in question 2, then we are going to replace these missing values into mean series method. We will click on question 1 and we will import here. Simply select series mean. It will automatically replace the missing values into series mean method. We will click on OK. You can see here this was the question 1. Here was missing value and here was missing value. And you can see here by mean series method SPSS successfully filled the missing value by series mean score. You can see 3.2. As same you can see here minus 99 was missing value and SPSS correctly replaced by 3.2. And there was another missing value in question 1 here. So this was also replaced by 3.2. So do the same with other questions. Transform, replace missing value, question 2, put here and click on OK. Now you can see where was missing value in question 2 here. So this was filled by the mean series mean 1.1, and same as this one replaced by 1.1. So in this way you can replace your missing values in SPSS dataset.